How can you win more vendor instructions for your business? This is a question that's constantly on the mind of agents everywhere, because the real estate game is won and lost based on listing stock. Who has the most homes for sale? Who has the best, most in-demand properties? If you don't have a smart strategy to win market share, this is a battle that you're going to lose. You need to be in front of mind whenever property owners are considering a sale, so that they come to you and give you the chance to work for them. And that means being visible at the right time with the right message. Portals aren't enough. You need to be on Google, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. And you need to tell them why you're the right agent to sell their property, that you'll get the best price, that you'll sell their property faster than other agents, that your fees are competitive, or that your customer service is impeccable. We can help you get your message across to the right people at the right time. Get in touch today to find out how.